1.
Hello, Colonels. It's Mr. Mon. We're going to talk about Lesson 5 getting started today. We are on pages 19, 20, and 21 in our notebook. The introduction today is going to be talking about marble. And first it begins as skeleton of sea creatures on the ocean floor. That debris piles up. And these skeletons, over millions of years, and the pressure and temperature they experience increase. Those skeletons get compacted together into limestone. And then millions and millions of years pass. More sediment builds up, and again increasing pressure and temperature. Under these conditions, minerals in the limestones recrystallize to form marble. In this lesson, you'll observe a model of an activity within Earth's mantle and experiment with an online simulation of plate boundaries to construct an explanation of how volcanoes and mountain ranges rise. You'll create a model of the rock cycle and show how that rock cycle, show how a rock like limestone can become marble. And you'll look closely at some real rock samples. Our objective for the getting started today is to observe a model of how the transfer of energy in Earth's interior produces changes in the shape and location of tectonic plates and landforms on Earth's surface. We have a lot of vocabulary for this lesson, so take a look at that. You should have gotten a sheet as you walked in class today. In this lesson, you explore the evidence for the Earth's interior and model how that movement changes the Earth's crust. Now you'll describe how forces of heat and pressure create rocks and landscapes that we see on Earth's surface. You're going to be discussing what you've learned about why tectonic plates move. And you're going to talk about what you know about convection. Now this could be similar with convection in the air, the ocean. We're going to be talking about how convection works. You're going to think about how convection works in Earth's mantle and it's related to tectonic plates. You record your ideas and sketches in your notebook. We're going to show you a jar with liquid in it, and the liquid is mostly water with tiny particles in it. You're going to observe what happens when your teacher gently shakes the jar, and you're going to observe how could this jar be used to observe convection cells. You're going to use student sheet GS, convection in the mantle, and you're going to be doing a demonstration in class and watching how that model works, and then doing the sheet in class. You're going to be recording your information and explaining the patterns that you observe. And you're going to have a lot of discussion questions and responses in your notebook. And you're going to be adding labels to the illustration. And then under that illustration, you're going to write a description of what is happening in the convection cells, the cell's impact on the ocean plates, and how convection will change as the appearance of Earth's surface over time. So our steps for today, getting started, steps 1 through 11, to answer questions 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10. There is a student sheet, and there's a lot of vocabulary, so by the end of class, you should be starting your vocabulary. We are going to post a very short video online. It's about 45 seconds. If you get a chance, you're going to want to watch that. So once again, this is Lesson 5 getting started. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know.